It's a little bit delay or something. Okay. But we were supposed to arrive at 6 something, but we arrived 7. So just wait for my video guys, okay? See you. Okay guys, and it's quite fun in here. So how many hours left? Let me check. So now it's going to be at 8:30. My goodness, 8:30 plus, so 3.5 hours more for the countdown. I am so excited because this is my first time that I'm going to do the countdown for a new year in another country, because in Singapore you cannot play any fireworks, so it's just a normal day. But at least when you are in another country, you can able to feel the differences of how people they celebrating the New Year's and the countdown also as well, and welcoming the New Year, something like that. So alright guys, I've done sharing my experience in here. So hopefully you just follow for the future videos that I'm going to upload, if any adventures that I'm going to. So do follow my channel, okay? And thank you for stay tuned with my channel. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to hit like and comments down below for more this kind of lifestyle, not only the lifestyle, this kind of adventures into my channel. All right, see you guys and have a good day. All right, and advance happy new year. See you next year guys. Goodbye. All right guys, here we go. Now we are on the triple decker of the boat. So we took a mini cruise. I call it mini cruise, but it's a 3-layer, you know, three decks of this cruise. So now we are on the higher one, the 3rd level. So at least you can see on the outside. So this one is included into our tour that we purchased. So if you wanna join with the tour for your next vacation, why not? I can offer you the same tour that I'll be taking, we've been taking before. So at least you guys you have the guidance also as well, and where to find if you are living in Singapore, so at least you know well which place you're going and what is the itinerary or something. So our package is 5 days and 4 nights for a New Year's package. So it's a reasonable price also as well. So as you can see, a lot of good foods that we're having for our dinner and for our lunch. And the good thing is we have like we need to keep change our hotel, so you are not going to stay in one place. Some is a long journey, long drive also as well, like 2 hours to 3 hours, something like that, but it's fun, I tell you, because at least if you want to go to another country that you don't know yet, or it's your first time, then I can suggest you to take the what is so called, yeah, of course lah, you will I suggest you to take the what is so called this one, the tour package, because the tour one will give you the itinerary and a plan for you. So all you need to do is just follow them and the time and everything. So at least you won't get any like so-called, you won't get any like scams on outside, because it's already been set by the tour guides. So everything is set up, I mean set up for your journey, so no worries at all. That's the good thing. That is the pros and cons about the having a tour rather than you go alone, because sometimes you go alone, the expectations of your expenses sometimes is more. So Uh, Now we are on the upper deck of this cruise, and we'll show you the view of the city. So just give me a moment. I will flip from the other side. So now it's so windy and it's a very cold. And like, oh my god, it's like you are sleeping with the two or three aircon inside of there. So good. Our thermal. Yeah. I can show you guys because there is VIP seats they called, but you need to spend a little bit more so you can have your tables there, something like that. Here, one moment. So I'm a little bit excited because this is my first time to having a dinner, like a banquet or something via VIP rooms. No, but of course we are not going to do that because we are in a big group. So it's like excited how is the food in here so far, you know. So we'll show you guys how is the food and the taste also as well. So it's like in the banquet rooms. So yeah. Hello po. Nine? Where should we sit? Eh? Okay. Later on guys, I'm going to show you what food we are having for tonight. Okay?